How to become a millionaire, the untold truth. What if I told you that the secret to becoming a millionaire isn't locked away in some vault, but is within your reach right now? These aren't just success stories. They're proof that ordinary people can achieve extraordinary wealth. The path to $1 million isn't reserved for the privileged few. It's paved with principles that anyone can follow. Today, I'm going to share 5 transformative steps that can set you on this path. Step 1. Develop a written financial plan. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Writing down your financial goals forces you to clarify what you want and map out the steps to get there. According to financial experts, a concrete plan includes budgeting, saving targets, and investment strategies. Step 2. Live below your means. Wealth isn't about how much you make, but how much you keep. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, resist the urge to increase your spending. This discipline allows you to save and invest more. Step 3. Invest early and consistently. The power of compound interest is astounding. By investing early, even modest contributions can grow significantly over time. Consistency is key. Make investing a non-negotiable habit. Step 4. Diversify your income streams. Relying solely on one source of income is risky. Diversifying not only increases your earning potential, but also provides financial security. Step 5. Educate yourself continuously. The financial world evolves. Staying informed empowers you to make wise decisions and seize opportunities. These steps aren't just theories. They're practices employed by millionaires worldwide. The journey requires patience, discipline, and resilience. Remember, the path to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay the course, and your efforts will compound into substantial financial growth. Now, it's your turn. Start by implementing these steps today. Share your goals in the comments below. Let's build a community of aspiring millionaires, supporting each other on this journey. Dive into our How You Can playlist for more detailed instructions on how everyday people can make small changes for massive success. Subscribe for more insights into building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Don't forget to like this video if you found it valuable, and subscribe for more insights into building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Take aim on what the billionaires do every day for success. You will land onto the millionaire step. Your journey to $1 million begins now.